Hey friends, on today's video, we are going to be performing a security wipe and then a hard factory reset on this Blackberry 9550. It's a pretty simple process. Let's do that right now. Now, BlackBerry actually calls this a security wipe in their current software. So let's go ahead and perform that. What we're going to do is we're going to actually click our BlackBerry button here to take us to our applications, and then we're going to click on that options. And once we're in options, we're actually going to scroll down. If you are up top, you'll be scrolling down and looking for that security options. Once you are in the security options, you can see we have a security wipe option. Let's click on that. Now, once we're in this menu, you can see we have a couple of different options. The first is that you can just delete emails, contacts, etc. And that is going to be a lot of your personal information that's associated with you and your account. Now, what you can also do if you really want to create that full factory reset is to also click on the user installed applications option. Now, doing this will ensure any other applications, third-party type things that you have installed will also go away. Once you select both of those, you can see that you have to type in BlackBerry down in this little menu in order to confirm. Let me go ahead and do that, and then we can hit that wipe button. Okay, you can see that I've typed in that code word, and I'm going to come down here and I'm just going to click wipe. Now again, you get a little warning message there. You don't need to pull out the battery while you're doing this. In fact, I have my phone plugged in, as you can see over on this end, just so we don't have any power issues during this full wipe. What's going to happen now is it's going to go black and bring us to a wipe screen. Okay, as you can see, we've gone to that wipe screen. Now you may get a couple of these wipe progress bars. So again, just be patient and wait for the reboot to happen at the very end of the full wipe. Okay, as you can see, the reboot has started. Our screen went black, and this will take a couple minutes, and then it'll flash back to that BlackBerry boot screen. Okay, there's our boot screen. Now, again, you have to be patient with this specific step as well because it's actually loading for the first time now after that factory reset. So this is going to take a few minutes, and then we'll be loaded right onto our home screen. Okay, that took about 5 minutes for me to get back to the initial boot screen. As you can see, you have to click on some of your user agreement, important information. It actually will walk you through some setup wizards. I'm just going to actually close out of all of this so that we can get right back to that home screen. Okay, friends, that is how you perform that security wipe / factory default reboot. If this has helped, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? It lets me know I'm making helpful videos. You also might want to hit subscribe because we got a bunch more BlackBerry as well as tech video tutorials that are coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching.